We are at Disney's Blizzard Beach water park in Orlando, Florida. Our first time here today. It's a really cool park. The lazy river is huge and it's very slow paced, so it's taken us a while to get through it, but we almost are done with it. And yeah, enjoy our random video clips because honestly we're on vacation, so the vlogging's kind of been we're trying though. But thanks for watching anyways. Because there's an umbrella on them too. It looks like if you put your feet at the right spot, it looks like you're not doing gas. Put your feet down. Whoa, no way. Oh, spank you. I want the open slide. Well, there's two different ones. Enclosed slide. Okay, yeah, I want the open slide. I want to see stuff. I want to see stuff. Let me make you carry up your rafts here. Oofa! Right after we eat, we're going straight for the stairs. Yeah! Look at all the trees everywhere, Marion. The plants, there's snakes in there. God, ever since we saw a snake at Hollywood Studios, all I could think about in these bushes is, oh, wildlife, snakes. Wow. Oof. My freaking, what's it called? That double cheeseburger, working it off. Ooh, so tall. Almost there. We're almost there. Yeah, I think they want you to. We have to bring these up anyway. There's water. Animal Kingdom's in the distance. Mary tried to go to the waterfall, but she couldn't deal.
Why are you so savage to me?
I'm not savage. She's like, can I go in there? And then all of a sudden, I can't breathe. She's like, I'm drowning.
I'm not drowning.
I'm joking. So we got these really cool bags that actually convert. Well, it's a bag that converts into this, so you can lay it out on your lounger. It also has a nice little spot for a cell phone pocket, and the back of there is mesh, so you can put your clothes and stuff like that in your towel. These chairs don't lean up. Normally you could put them on the back part. And then there's also another little bag right here to attach to the side, so you can put all your goodies in there and stuff. This is just awesome. These bags have worked out. Mary and I each have one. We got them on Amazon. I think they were about 50 bucks a piece. They had 3 options. It was either tie-dye or this. I didn't want us to have the same one, so I went with the tie-dye. The other option was cheetah print, I believe. I think it was cheetah print, but yeah, these are really nice. We like them a lot. Cool. This is our view. We're just lounging. Remember the 50th anniversary cup. Hopefully it will still work at Disney Springs tonight.
Sure.
We are done at Blizzard Beach. There's the lockers.
It said that
There's Mary.
it stops working at 11:59.
Art. Gourd. Squash gourd. There's nowhere else like it. Look, there's the store, Mary. Ah, my mask. I gotta get my mask out. I gotta get my mask out, though. Beach.
The gator silhouette.
Oh, that is funny. No, that looks like Goofy. That hole right there? Yeah, it's Goofy. Mary, you want to take a selfie right here?